Who's that?
Beyblade. Hello guys, this is my channel. I am Uncle Wilson. Today I want to show some limited and collector product. Metal Fight Series 2020 Explosion Set. There are 5 Beyblade and 2 launchers inside the premium box. I like this smell. Let's see inside. Wait, before start, like, subscribe, open the bell. It's amazing design at the box, and it is the poster of Metal Fight Beyblade Bakuten, or you can call it Beyblade Metal Master. But sadly, I jumped from bakuten shoot Beyblade to Beyblade Burst series, so totally don't know about Metal Fight Beyblade. Then why you buy this set? Because it's handsome like a biscuit. Yes, I very like this shape and the color looks so powerful. So before this, I got review some of them details. And here will explain to you guys what I know. Whoa, you can see behind also got the details about all the combo. Wow, wow, wow. So this Beyblade is Galaxy Pegasus, used by the main character Inka Hagine. It comes with this 5-frame glaive and Jot Dash. Oh yeah, this color. It is remake from the Metal Fight system Galaxy Pegasus W105R2F. Wow, the name. You can see the driver is choose the Jot because from the Metal series, it also using the rubber tips. Next is Ray Unicorno 1 Dash, Proof Ramp, and Unite Dash. It is used by Masamune Kadoya. Oh my god, this time Takara Tomy really remake almost 99% same. The driver also side rubber, middle is plastic, so it combo using the Unite Dash. And the all layer all is new release, not being released from any random booster. Good job Takara Tomy, good like a biscuit. Gravity Pursues 00 Bump Yielding. It is used by Julian Concern. I like this color black and purple, and it got another name called Gravity Destroyer. Whoa, 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 I like it. It seems like defense type Beyblade. Meteor L Dragon 7 Vortex Spiral Dash. I love this logo. A dragon inside there. In anime, it is used by Ryuga. The driver totally same like the Spiral Dash. Really good remake. Good like a biscuit. Last is Hell Quebec Zero Leaf Mobius. It gives more beers. Quite good luck Takara Tomy. Finally gives our latest part in remake Beyblade set. In anime, it is used by Damin Heart. This also Uncle Wilson's favorite color. Gold, fully gold color. Even the behind also gold color. And the logo is Quebec 3-head dog. Woohoo! Amazing logo. And there are 2 launchers inside, black LR launcher and white L launcher. Maybe it's remake from the main character launcher. And inside still have the sticker. The sticker for the Unicorno is shiny color. And the side also got the sticker. Whoa, very nice and really, really nice. And the chassis also can be opened. Sorry, is this a chassis or layer? Oh, wow. It's very nice, and here have the steel too. Oh, so special for this. Alright, now is the battle time. Let's see who will be the rival. So they will fight with the Beyblade Burst series Super King Man character. And also the Bakuten Shoot Beyblade. Go!
It's Pikachu! Pikachu! It's
Hello Death Scyther. Whoa, welcome to Metal Fight battle with Bakuten Shoot. First round, Burst finish for Burst. So soft. Burst again. Woohoo! Pretty popcorn. Burst like a popcorn. Oh, burst again. Okay. So next round is Gravity Pursuit versus the Drago Vulcan. By who? Okay, finally no burst. Spin finish. Gravity Pursuit. So this all the normal type. Layer this frame and with the driver. No any chassis. All the origin. Baby blur burst. Oh, burst again. Okay. Now who will be the winner? Ah, yeah, spin finish. Now is the Ray Unicorno. Unicorno will get the spin finish. The enemy is Gaia Dragon. This all is a stock combo from the luxury set. Oh, burst finish. Oh, only start around 1 minute plus too many bursts. Over finish, Drago. Okay, so cool. Let's go, Drago. Win. Now Galaxy Pegasus fight with Dragon Victory. Oh, burst finish. Okay. This both is the main character from Bakuten and Meta Fight Beyblade. Ah, Galaxy get a point. Now fight with the Super Kick series. Oh yeah, first round burst finish. But I think the Meta Fight is sure very hard to win the Super King lah. We pay 5 points for this because we follow the Super King mode, 5G mode. Hope the Meta Fight will have chance to get 1 point. Even 1 point already enough. Oh no, 0 4. Oh no, burst finish, Infinity Achilles. And now it's Gravity Pursuit versus the Burn Hyperion. Oh, the Burn Hyperion already limit break. Get the spin finish. Whoa, 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 Gravity, hope don't burst. Please. Get the spin finish. You are the defense. Yes, spin finish. Oh, oh my, biscuit. Burst. Oh, you hurt. Over finish. Now it's Ray Unicorno versus the Tempest Dragon. Okay, seems like the stamina fight wouldn't have any burst will begin. Spin finish. Okay, another stamina fight. Who will win? But you can see the Super King layer is very big. And oh no, spin finish for Tempest Dragon. So that means the big layer sure will win the small layer. But never mind, this time we not very serious, just play for fun. Because even me is very scared. If I play the tournament, I won't bring the any remake Beyblade. Even it's Bakuten or Metal Fight. So I think this is only the fight will do. It will be my collection later. Too soft. Really cannot fight. Please. Okay, 0-5. Now Drago versus the Healer's Volcano. Both is the left spin's bay. Well, seems like have a chance, but cannot because the Healer's Volcano is the stamina type. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, over finish. Now is the main character, Galaxy Pegasus versus the Merc series main character, Brave Valkyrie. Oh no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very hard to win. Right spin versus right spin. Oh no! Oh, finish. You guys can see in this video I said how many times this cut, because I feel really satisfied with this set, satisfied like a biscuit. That's all by today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me a like. If you are Beyblader or interested about Beyblade, can subscribe my channel and open the bell to get latest update for my video. Goodbye, see you next time.